Let's take a look outside where today was changeable. We had some sun and clouds and we had some showers pop up. It's quiet now. The rain we had earlier, of course, is long gone. The question is we squeeze out some rain along the coast late tonight? Yeah, I have it written in the forecast, but the more I look at what's happening locally, I just don't see nothing more than a couple sprinkles near the coast late tonight. Here's a look right now in the Omni Live Radar Network. Besides maybe a sprinkle or two east and southeast of Tampa, it's a pretty quiet night. We expand on this view. We have radars all across the state scanning the skies, and we are picking up some rain out over the Gulf. Now, last night, there was a big batch of rain lined up west of Pinellas, west of all of our coastal counties that eventually moved on shore late at night, as we talked about. This time around, though, there's not nearly as much rain, but the wind flow is light from the west and southwest. I won't discount the idea of maybe 1 or 2 showers near the coast sometime 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. It's not going to be a real big deal. We fly out across the Caribbean watching a tropical wave moving across the Lesser Antilles. This does not appear to be much at all. We'll be watching that. Also, the remnants of Fred way out across the Atlantic, and in the deep south, upper level low is spinning over Little Rock. That low being west and northwest of us puts us on the kind of wet side. We'll see a continuation of that west and southwest wind flow for the next several days. So besides that, things are pretty quiet coast to coast. Satellite radar composite tonight shows a broad south and southeast wind flow off the east coast, a southwest wind flow off the west coast. That convergence where those winds are meeting was the focal point for storms today and again tomorrow. Watch out. Right along Interstate 75, storms will build as soon as 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. They'll gradually drift inland with a developing west wind. So by later in the day, the rain should be lined up across our inland counties. Light winds right now, and as the day moves along tomorrow, any rain that does develop will gradually drift inland. So by, again, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening, the rain will be lined up and down the spine of the state. Once the sea breeze collapses, these showers and thunder showers may drift slowly to the west and southwest. One more view out across the tropics. We showed you the tropical wave over the Lesser Antilles. There's also on the map tonight, there's an old frontal boundary. There's also the remnants of Fred, which have actually flared up today. And there's also low pressure west of the Cape Verde Islands. So we're still near the peak of the hurricane season. I don't think this will develop. The frontal boundary should stay away. Lots of upper level shear over the Gulf and the Western Caribbean. Fred has a decent chance of at least trying to regenerate in the next day or two as Fred moves west and northwest, or the remnants of Fred moves west and northwest. And this upper level low, weak low pressure system, that has about a 30% chance of developing the next few days. We'll watch all 3 of these systems, but basically it's pretty quiet for us locally. Now tonight, a few coastal showers redeveloping late tonight, down to 77. Storms develop tomorrow. They'll slowly move inland up to 88. Same trend on Thursday. Slow-moving storms. That means locally heavy rainfall. Today we had areas up to 3 inches in Pasco County. Same deal the next couple of days, 89 for high. Southwest wind, 2-foot seas, bay water smooth. High tide 154. And your Omni 7-day shows a 60% chance of rain tomorrow, dropping to 50% by Thursday and 40% by Friday. Back to you.